our Sukkah for the Feast of Tabernacles. So we've got here a bunch of the stuff we need. We've got some greenery that represents the palm branches. We've made our miniature paper chain, and you can see the video for that. Look for that on this channel. We've got a little bit of furniture, some food, a bunch of pillows, and our lantern string that we also made yesterday as part of our crafts.
Okay, we're going to start by putting our greenery on the top of the Sukkah, and we built the Sukkah so that we could lay things on top there. And traditionally it would be palm fronds, but we don't live in an area where we can get those. So these are iris leaves, and they're supposed to be put on top in such a way that they create shade inside of the Sukkah during the day, but that at night you would be able to see the stars through the top of the Sukkah. And you'll see in a minute that we take those back off because we actually should have done the lights and the paper chain before we did the leaves, but so you'll see we do that. So we hang the lanterns that we made that light up. We're hanging a paper chain, which is very traditional for a Sukkah. And then we're going to kind of adjust this, but get it ready so that you can see it all finished. Now, it's traditional, of course, to eat in the Sukkah. You can sleep in the Sukkah. So here's a little table. It's small, short to the ground, because we'll be sitting on pillows and things. And you can put whatever you want in the Sukkah. There can be, of course, another table to hold food. You can bring in books. Here's some of the food that we've made out of Sculpey for Sukkot. Grapes, pomegranates, figs, of course, anything that has to do with the harvest. Here are some little grapes that we made out of Sculpey. So all the things that have to do with the harvest, of course, grains are going to be represented here. And we always love to drink grape juice for our Jewish holidays. Our favorite, of course, is the Kadim brand, but we happen to have this little miniature grape juice. So we're going to put that in the Sukkah as well. It's very traditional for families to eat all of their meals in the Sukkah, and you can see our miniature little figs there, pomegranates and other things. So just put in there things that your family likes that kind of represent the beauty of that harvest. One of the things that people do with those little grapes sometimes is they'll put a curtain on the front of their Sukkah, but pull it back and attach the little grapes to the side to make a cute little curtain tie back. The Sukkah should always be open to guests. That's part of the rules of hospitality. So one of the requirements of a Sukkah is that it not be closed in the front. It needs to be open and welcoming. So here we are putting the pillows all down and getting things ready. The Sukkah really is a beautiful tradition, and there's a lot of symbolism behind it. The whole Feast of Tabernacles and relying on the protection of God. Here is our finished Sukkah. Oh, hey, turn on the lights. And let's see our lanterns lit from above. Oh, there we go. So it makes the Sukkah sort of a magical place and a fun place to be in. So that is a Sukkah and our miniature version for the Feast of Tabernacles. So happy Sukkot.